Building 47 is part of our broader $8 to $9 billion investment plan through 2030 to expand production of advanced munitions and manufacturing across the company and the country. And we've already spent about $1.25 billion of that money in advance of all of our contracts. We know it's going to be good and we know it's going to happen.
This partnership is critical to surging our munitions capacity, and Lockheed Martin has leaned in aggressively. Today is a testament to that partnership and that progress.